A village is a place commonly having vast fields, forage crops, cattle, trees of different kinds and weeds. This is the field of Trifolium alexandrinum, locally known as berseem. It is an annual clover cultivated mostly in irrigated subtropical regions, and used as leguminous crop. Berseem clover is capable of producing up to 8 tons of forage in a single growing season. Berseem clover is similar in forage quality to that of alfalfa. Berseem provides highly nutritious and tasty fodder for livestock in winter season in repeated cuttings. It contains 17% crude protein, 25.9% crude fiber and 60 to 65% TDN, total digestible nutrients, content. Berseem needs a mild temperature to germinate and further establishment. Its growth is restricted during severe cold or frosty weather. It grows well on medium to heavy soils and resists salinity. Berseem is mainly valued as a winter crop in the subtropics as it grows well in mild winter and recovers strongly after cutting. It does not grow well under hot summer conditions. It is cultivated from 35 degrees north to the tropics, from sea level up to 750 meters, 1,500 meters in northwest Himalaya. Berseem has some frost tolerance, down to -6 degrees Celsius and as low as -15 degrees Celsius for some cultivars. Berseem can grow in areas where annual rainfall ranges between 550 mm and 750 mm. It can withstand some drought and short periods of waterlogging. It does better than alfalfa in high moisture soils and is very productive under irrigation. It is moderately tolerant of salinity and can grow on a wide range of soils, though it prefers fertile, loamy to clay soils with mildly acidic to slightly alkalinic pH, 6.5 to 8. This is sorghum Sudan grass. Sorghum drummondi, Sudan grass, is a hybrid-derived species of grass raised for forage and grain, native to tropical and subtropical regions of eastern Africa. It may also be known as sorghum bicolor or sorghum arundinaceum after its parents. Some authorities consider all three species to be subspecies under S. bicolor. In the mid of April, the wheat crop is almost harvested. This is the field after harvesting of wheat. After some gap, this is irrigated and is ready for next crop like sorghum or something else. This is the fodder of animals made from dried stem of wheat. It is locally known as busa in Punjab province of Pakistan. The stem is passed through the thresher and the busa is stored in sheds or plastered like this. Acacia trees are more common in my village, though other species are also present. It is a flowering tree in the family Fabaceae. It is native to Africa, the Middle East and the Indian subcontinent. Flowers in globulous heads 1.2 to 1.5 cm in diameter of a bright golden yellow color, set up either axillary or whorly on peduncles 2 to 3 cm long located at the end of the branches. Pods are strongly constricted, hairy, white-gray, thick and softly tomentose. Its seeds number approximately 8,000 per kilogram. This is a snail. It acts as the invader for the trifolium crop, probably feeding on leaves. It clings itself to the nearby stem trees when trifolium fields are near to be cleared. This is the tree of fig in my village Chakotwala. Locally, it is known as Anjir. Ficus racemosa, the cluster fig, Red River fig or gular, is a species of plant in the family Moraceae. It is native to Australia and tropical Asia. It is a fast-growing plant with large, very rough leaves, usually attaining the size of a large shrub, although older specimens can grow quite large and gnarled. It is unusual in that its figs grow on or close to the tree trunk, termed cauliflory. The fruits are commonly eaten as a vegetable after the seeds have been discarded, and made into stir-fries and curries. The fruits are a favorite staple of the common Indian macaque. It serves as a food plant for the caterpillars of the two-brand crow butterfly, Euploia sylvestre, of northern Australia. Grewia asiatica, commonly known as falsa or falsa, is a species of flowering plant in the mallow family Malvaceae. It was first found in Varanasi, India, and was taken by Buddhist scholars to other Asian countries and the rest of the world. Grewia celtidifolia was initially considered a mere variety of falsa, but is now recognized as a distinct species. It is a shrub or small tree growing to 8 meters tall. The leaves are broadly rounded, 5 to 18 centimeters long and broad, with a petiole 1 to 1.5 centimeters long. The flowers are produced in semies of several together, the individual flowers about 2 centimeters diameter, yellow, with 5 large, 12 millimeters, sepals and 5 smaller, 4 to 5 millimeters, petals. The fruit is an edible drupe 5 to 12 millimeters diameter, purple to black when ripe.